guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are reviewing the e.l.f. Cosmetics Big Mood Mega Volume and Lifting Mascara. This is new. One of their new mascaras, one of their new products. e.l.f. has just been coming out with all of the makeup launches, so we are reviewing it. I mainly am very interested in this mascara because of the spoolie. On the package, you can see that it's like the hourglass, nice big fluffy spoolie, actual size on the package. It says Mega Volume Instant Lift, clean, vegan, cruelty free. Love that about e.l.f. This retails for $7. It comes in two shades, black and pitch black. I got pitch black because in my opinion, unless you're doing like a crazy colored mascara, regular everyday mascara should be black, but that's a personal opinion. Personal opinion. It says that the net weight is 3.6 ounces or 10 grams. So this is the packaging. This is the tube. It says Big Mood e.l.f. on it. It's not that big of a mascara. Let's, like, compared to the L'Oreal Paris Air Volume mascara, it's not that big of a tube. Just for comparison's sake of other drugstore mascaras. But it is a nice, I don't even know if you can see that. Can you see that? It is a nice juicy formula. All of that on the tip is mascara. And the wand is super extra nice and fluffy. So, we're going to try this. I've already done my eye makeup. Obviously, I've done all my makeup. Whoop, wrong way. And I'm gonna zoom you in. So what I'm gonna do is kind of like the Air Volume. I'm going to show you on one side without curling my lashes, and then I'll show you on the other side with curling my lashes. Please do not mind my eyeliner. I was just struggling with it today. So we're going to do this eye without curling my lashes. Nice mascara, does definitely give a length for sure. Let's do the nice mascara. That was one coat, so we're gonna let it dry for a moment. I'm going to go in and curl these lashes and try them on curled lashes to see if it's any different. Oh yeah, definitely a huge difference when you curl your lashes beforehand versus not curled. I think it just applied a little bit better. I forgot to put some. I think it just applied a little bit better. I think you can see the lashes a little bit more defined versus not curling them. Let's put a second coat on. I always have a really hard time putting mascara on like dried mascara. Alright, so this is like two very light coats of mascara. Just like a chunk on the one. Curled, not curled. I personally think that curled looks so much better. Although, to be honest, for a $7 mascara, this is not bad at all. Even the uncurled. I liked the wand, or rather, I liked the spoolie. It applied very nicely. The color, obviously, pitch black is black. I would just recommend possibly curling it if you're not wearing lashes with it. But yeah, definitely like a nice mascara, especially for $7. Let me zoom you out. So I forgot to say what it boasts. It says, what is it? A volumizing and lifting mascara with a unique shaped brush head to give you big, bold lashes that command attention. Why we love it. Plumps and lifts your lashes all day. Smooth, creamy formula infused with jojoba wax to hold lashes curl. Effortless application in one stroke, hourglass shaped brush head to separate and define lashes, smudge and flake resistant formula. 97% of users saw bigger and bolder lashes, 100% saw instant volume, 94% saw lifted lashes, 100% saw a lengthening effect. Choose from black or pitch black. Available in full size and travel size. Oh, they have a travel size option. love that. And then how to use: apply mascara starting at the root of the lashes, a zigzag motion working your way up. Apply additional coats to build up a desired effect. Again, I didn't realize that it had jojoba wax in it, but that would probably be why the curled lashes look a little bit more defined, is because that jojoba wax is holding the curl definition versus the uncurled lash. Again, either way, like a really nice mascara for $7 for everyday wear. I know this is a little bit more of a dramatic eye because I'm filming another video in conjunction with this video. But yeah, definitely a nice mascara, not disappointed. Just curl your lashes before you use it. But yeah, definitely a buy. I will put the e.l.f. Cosmetics Big Mood Mascara down in the description box below, so if you are interested in checking it out, you can do so on your own time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.